This is a paid promotion for Skyrocket toys.
Oh!
I got Scorch, he's volcano.
I got Hydro, and he's water.
I got Bolt, and he's electricity. Tremor, which is earthquake. When they have a meltdown, they shake all over.
Hi guys, welcome back to Jake and Ty. We found these presents here, and we think they might be from the hacker.
Let's get Dad. Dad!
What? Where'd you guys get these from?
We just found them
What
on the
is this?
table, and we think it's from the hacker.
This is the same wrapping paper that the hacker left in our last
It has
present.
like notes on them.
Wait, don't poke, don't shake,
Don't
and
flip.
don't flip. What do you think that means? Think that's a message that we're not supposed to do these, or do you think it's playing reverse psychology and we should do these?
I think.
Wait, is this for you guys, or who's this for?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Well, what do you guys think we should do?
Open one.
Yeah, open
See.
one.
Okay, guys, there's 4 presents here. Which one do you think we should open?
This one.
This
We should
one.
open
Biggest.
that one?
The biggest.
Yeah.
All right, who gets to open it?
Well, we can pass the present, and whoever lands on it gets to open it.
Okay, we can do that. So, you guys agree that this one?
Yeah.
Why'd you pick this one, Ty?
Because it's like the biggest and I don't know, it's the biggest.
You just want the biggest?
Yes.
All right, well, if we're not supposed to shake, poke, or flip, let's set these down really carefully.
Go big or go home.
All right, guys, here we go. And go, pass the Careful.
There's something.
Oh, it's making weird noises. You hear those noises? It's making noises. I don't want it. I don't want it now. Oh, careful. Don't shake it. Oh, don't flip it. Oh, that's it.
I'm
Dude, that was
scared.
making some weird sounds. Could you hear
It was
that?
like dun, dun.
No, it was making like animal sounds. I don't want to open it. I'm afraid.
I guess I had to open it.
That's all you, buddy. Okay, let's see what it is. Oh, Logan wants it.
Logan, can you help me?
Logan, you want to open it?
Oh, Logan wants to open. Oh,
Logan likes opening presents.
oh, I don't know if this is a present.
It's true. Help him out. Let's see. Remember, don't shake it or poke it. Oh, we already did.
Too late.
We gotta go. Guys, it's
Wait. Let Logan take the paper. Thanks, Logan. Okay,
And now
ready?
Terry goes.
1, 2, 3.
Wait. What do you think's inside?
I think it's $100.
Well, how can I?
Actually, it made noises. I think it might be an animal.
Say.
Okay, ready? Here we go. What? Whoa! He's going crazy. What is this? Grumblies.
Grumbly.
Wait, it says the rules. Here's the rules. Do not shake, do not poke, or do not flip. What do you guys think? Should we do it?
Yes, I'm gonna poke.
I'm gonna pop.
What? Here, let me shake him.
And try to flip them.
Okay, ready?
Oh no. How about we take him out of here?
Yeah.
Look, his name is Tremor. He says, try me, poke my belly.
Oh, he farted.
Wow. It says push them too far and they will rumble and jump around.
Wait.
Don't, it's crossed out. Don't make them melt down. That means, if it's crossed out, that means we're supposed to make them melt down.
If this came from the package, what do you think the other ones are?
You guys want to open them and find out?
Yeah.
I bet you it's more. What do you think?
I'm gonna open up this
They all
one.
have the same message as not
I'll
to
get
poke.
this guy out.
Here, open that up.
Okay. Oh, Logan, let's come in.
Logan's back. He's back to help. Get it, Logan.
Oh, Logan.
It's more grumblies. Look at this. I found Bolt. Whoa. What?
Who did I find? I found Hydro.
You found Hydro?
Yeah.
I found
You have Scorch. All right, let's get them out of their boxes here.
I got Scorch, he's Volcano.
I got Hydro, and he's water.
I got Bolt, and he's electricity. And we also got Tremor, which is earthquake. So these guys are really cool. They make so many sounds. They make like over 40 different sounds. And if you shake them and poke them and flip them too much, they have a meltdown. So I've got an idea, guys. How about we take turns and play the game Hot Potato, right?
Yes.
So you'll pick which one that you want to start it with. If the Grumblies that you're holding melt down, then you're out. Each one of these Grumblies represents some sort of supernatural chaos. Ty picked Scorch, so we're gonna start with Scorch and play a game of Hot Potato. Are you ready? Set, go.
Poke, shake, tilt, and roll for mega
He's
meltdown.
quiet. I don't know if he's asleep. Uh-oh, he's
No
awake.
nurturing here.
Push
What's
them
this?
too far, they rumble and jump around.
40 reactions and sounds.
Each of the Grumblies has
He's
unique
getting
sounds
mad.
and personality. Okay, you're done.
Available at all major retailers.
Oh, he's melting down. Oh, he melted down on Ty. Okay, Ty, grab Scorch and stuff to the side.
So the thing that we learned is that the fastest way to make them mad is by poking, shaking them, and flipping them.
Yeah, they'll have a meltdown real fast.
And when they have a meltdown, they shake all over. Okay, guys, these are really cool. I'm gonna keep Tremor. This one's mine.
I'm gonna keep both.
I'm gonna keep Scorch.
So how about we give Hydro to Mom, because actually Mom loves blue and it's her favorite color. Do you think she'll like this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too. So, okay,
Comment down below which one's your favorite.
based upon sounds, color, size, shape.
We're gonna leave a link in the description box down below where you can learn more.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and
Hit the bell!
Or shake the Grumblies.